With Inspire right now, influencers can post TikTok style videos, images, and promote products. But brands can't do it at the moment. But my prediction is Amazon will eventually give brands this ability to post TikTok style reels on Amazon. I think it's going to be on Amazon Posts, and brands will be able to post content there. So two things brands can do to kind of prepare. One is start connecting with influencers and getting user-generated content available so that you can post, you'll be able to post this on Amazon, and also connecting with Amazon influencers who can also post on Inspire for you. And we'll see if Inspire takes off or not. In the past, Amazon has, tried social media type things before. They launched a program called Spark a few years back that didn't take off. So it'll be interesting to see whether or not, Inspire is able to stick or not.
Hey, it's Riya here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.